Good morning, guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Well, due to popular demand, okay, my friend Tina Maristella will do the table setting. Welcome back to my vlog, Tina Maristella Ocampo. Okay, cause masyadong marami nagre-request. Marami guys wala kami yung camera guy pa. Wala. At magsi-table setting. Okay, masyadong maraming request na mag-vlog na ang Tina Ocampo. 8,000 followers. We're so proud.
Oy, after...
Naging 9,000.
Hindi. 8,534 as of my count.
Guys, ang proud na nagtitin ng 500. Okay.
At huwag kakalimutan, ang TF.
Guys,
ako na ang may TF.
Ay, naku, ang TF di ko afford. Pagkain na lang. And, by the way, okay, ang TF, okay na yung eye to eye. And why?
Okay. Pero today, table setting.
Table setting.
Ako naman ang may TF.
Guys, yung mga platong from Portugal and yung mga plates na from...
Hulaan natin.
Let's see later. Kayang-kaya ni Tina Maristella magmukhang looking expensive yan.
Yeah.
Okay, wait for that, guys. Bye. See you later. Disclaimer. The sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course. Oh my God, who's there daw? Wow! Oh my gosh, ang ganda!
Maristella, ikaw ba yan?
Oh my God! I love it! Okay, we have lunch. Kuring! Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay, let's... Naku, hungry. Wala pa kaming table setting. But, you know what? Meron lang tayong private convo ng mga 5 minutes. Okay, and then we'll eat na. Okay?
Nag-Instagram na ako kasi katerno ko yung pader mo.
Ay, sa taas! Let's do that! Okay.
Katerno ko yung pader.
Totoo. Meron pa, mas katerno pa dun sa upstairs. Okay.
Tayo magtrabaho lang.
Magtatrabaho kami. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, kwentuhan lang. Hello!
This is your favorite.
Oh my gosh!
This is your favorite.
Oh my God! Saan sila ba ni freezer? Freezer natin.
gusto mo yan?
Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Okay, so we're here making kwento. Break sa chikahan at kasi nag-table setting na kami. Wala pa kaming table setting. Okay, so guys, we're going up na kasi Tina Maristella magse-set up ng Tina Maristella will set up mga plates for our lunch. Okay, combine everything. Tutorial! So, okay, let's go. So, okay, ayusin na.
Diyan ka na muna.
Okay, relax.
Be a good host
Okay.
by entertaining your two guests.
My God, look, ayan yung mura. At ito yung mga Portugal. So, guys, ito yung mga from Portugal. And from everywhere.
These beauties.
Oh.
The real things. My gosh. Ito type ko to.
Okay, let's use that. Okay, saan
This
yung
is
mga
a
girls?
bowl.
Soup. Oh, we don't have soup.
Okay,
We don't have soup.
Soup.
Okay. So, what do we use? And then we combine with our mura dito.
Let's start with the mantel.
Yung mga mantel na yung mga mantel natin, yung mga galing sa Davao.
Ito.
No, this is mga galing lang na Amerika na hindi type ni Tina Maristella.
Hindi,
Type niya yung mga galing sa Davao, yung kay Marie Chris Villas.
Hindi, okay to. Because this one has a spring. So we're going to use the dining table, right?
Yes, okay.
It's not an outdoor. So,
So, do you want the one from Davao, yung mga local?
no. Let's see what's next.
Kasi akala nila mas okay yung galing sa steaks, hindi naman. So, bagay. Maganda ba? Marami to. Oh. Ang ganda nito!
Ito ang gagamitin natin.
Ito! Okay, we use this! Asad ni Tina Maristella. Marami nga. Now, like that here. Okay, how many?
Ganda.
May pizza, we have 10 days. Ang maganda kasi.
Bodega.
Talaga mura dito ang gagamitin.
No, you, tingnan what dito. Maganda dito ba ito? Yes. Ay, maganda yan. Ito, maganda ito.
Okay,
Maganda
yan
yan.
Hindi mo mura dito?
Ay, ano bang choice?
Palitan naman nga natin na yun.
Uy, ang ganda small.
This one. This one.
Meron ka ba? Everything is mura dito?
Ito is for Japanese kasi to. Kaya na.
Pero nagbagay rin siya kasi dito eh.
Tapos look this is the na mura dito. Diba? Kulit. Oo, ganun niya. Tapos may mga lemon kasi doon. May mga lemons na So what can I use this with? Like
Rice or soup.
or soup? Okay. So okay guys, ito yung yung mga purchases namin from Muradito.
Mura dito. Ang swerte ha. Not sponsored yan.
Yeah, meron kasi Tina kinuha, hindi na-deliver, no? Yung parang mga terno. May mga terno to. Baka feeling ko hindi. May mga terno to ko rin.
All yellow.
All yellow. Ang cute lemon, di ba?
Ano mo? Table.
Oh my gosh! Pepe and Pilar are here! Hi! Look at this two. Pepe and Pilar! Say hi!
Grabe ang halik sa mami ha. Grabe ang halik mong lalaki sa mami ha. Why did you get your mom?
Look at that.
Wow! Sobrang cute. Grabe na.
Hello, Pilar. I saw you when you were this small.
Special request. No, we really want them daw na.
Uy, ang galing.
Huwag ibablow lang kasi nahulog.
Wala kang 5 minutes eh.
Wala kang 5 minutes.
Wala kang 5 minutes. Ready pa yun.
Yan, si-set up na si Tina ng table spread. O, pantay. Okay. Magpa-plancha kami later. Tingnan pala. You can plancha when it's here.
Yeah.
Iron it here when it's on
On top of the table so that it really is a crisp linen.
Oh.
And now, why did we choose this bucket?
Why?
Because lunch.
Oh,
Para
because it's...
kunyari meron
Oh
tayo.
my God. Okay,
Kailangan natin na
May mga
once
police
na
maids.
Parang garden.
Garden.
Garden natin. Where's Alden? Can you
Alden?
Bakit tawag nga si Alden? Sabihin mo magbubuhat ng flowers. Sa pwede mga malaki candle? Ito, pwede.
Pwede yan.
So, plus the 2 daughters. Okay, so...
Garden. But we're inside because mainit.
But it's, we should be outside, but it's months. Okay. Yes.
Ay, tanggalin yung ano, no?
I'll give scissor. Get scissor.
Ako na yan ang gagawin ko.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Ay, wow, ang ganda niya, no?
Lot
The orchids. Yeah, and it became nice na. Oh, look, guys, naglilipat.
nasa garden.
Guys, look, nagmo-move lang kami ng mga flowers.
Ayan sa Tina, they're fun. Ay, ang ganda ng flowers. Ang
Oh, wow.
ang effect ng flowers.
Ang laki na.
Ang laki.
It made a difference.
Oo, yeah.
Para tayong nasa garden.
Yeah. Ito siguro yung cheapest tanggalin natin.
Matatanggalin up.
check.
Trabaho mo is clean that up.
Clean the mga chips up.
Wow, it's already beautiful.
Wow!
At di tayo bumili ng flowers.
Wala kaming, okay. Guys, we did not buy flowers. So, okay, naghanap lang in corner of the house.
May plancha. It's part of the accessory.
Okay. Ano po yung pwede natin?
So we can put the pink para may color.
Oh, this one. I can ask Ma'am Tina if we can use this because Mom wants like it.
Yeah. Ang ganda, small.
Really? Oh my God, favorite. Ayan, when I put
we'll show Tina.
flowers,
Oo,
I put
yeah.
roses.
Yes,
Oh,
this
sige.
one.
Let's show to Tina.
Tina.
Okay, let's see.
Pero yan sa cake. Pwede.
Hindi natin use this.
Where do we put it?
The problem, there's no flowers.
Hindi mo makabale, ma'am. Hindi. Kailangan ko umuwi ng probinsya. Hindi mo inaano. Ang social. No, it's a steamer. Yeah.
So that's the way you do it pala.
Yeah.
It's there on the table na.
Yeah. It's easier.
It's
Hindi
easier.
mo kailangan gawin yung buong mantel.
Oh, okay.
Oh, ang social. I want one like this. Giveaway mo sa Pasko.
Wala si chef. But the food is already.
Food is ready.
Okay. Okay. So, plancha. Okay, Mrs. Rojas. Mrs. Rojas making plancha everything here.
The mom of Pepe and
The
Pilar.
mom of Pepe.
Ako po ang yaya ni Pepe. Pepe and Pilar.
Yaya ng dalawang table.
Ang ganda ng mga mata nila, no?
Oo, grabe.
Very expressive.
Very nice.
Dahil hingi lang po ako ng kahit 9,500 isang buwan.
Ang mahal.
Oo.
9,000 ang budget. Wait.
Ang budget.
Masyado mataas ang entry level.
Entry level? Mataas ka ba yun?
Mataas,
Ma'am,
9,500.
dapat lang marunong po ako mag-English.
Pwede.
Ko ba?
Sa kubaw na lang. Sa kuting ba ito?
Pwede rin po ako operator ng telepono.
English.
Excuse me.
Ayun.
Kasi meron tayong sobrang laki. Get tips from Tina Maristella, Ma'am Corina, and Alphonse. Ganyan ang gagawin niyo, ha? If we have lunch. Oh my. O saan pa? Saan pa Alden? Saan pa meron? Kaya sa part of the house pa we have what?
Dito tayo.
Hi, Dave! Okay, okay.
So, ganito. Ang game natin is, alin ang
Grabe
mura,
game.
alin ang taga-Portugal. One.
Naku, huwag mabasag ito. Ay. No peeping, don't look at the back.
Kasi dala niya na. Alin ang...
Pwede nabasa na namin ito. Nabasa na.
Tanong ka lang. Alin ang taga-Portugal? Ay, dapat si Rocky.
Kasi kasama siya.
Siya.
Si Mandy talaga.
Ikaw na lang magtanong.
Ayun. O, sige, ano tatanungin ko?
Sige.
Okay, guess! Which one is from Muradito? Yung made in the Philippines.
Ito ba?
Oh, ito ba? Oh, ito.
Ano?
Ano?
Alin ang Portugal? Ano?
Locally made?
Locally made.
Okay, sa mura dito.
Mura din.
Kano sa... Yes!
So, sasagutin ba natin?
So, guys, ano dito yung binili namin sa Muradito? O yung from Portugal?
Ito ba?
Ito ba? Ano ba ito?
Dito ba?
Oh, dito.
Oh, Portugal ba?
Oh, dito sa
So, guys, what can we say? Comment down below kung which one ang Portugal and yung from Muradito.
May premyo ba? Oh, ayan.
Wala, no.
Comment below.
Comment down below.
Comment below.
Gamitin natin ito.
Wow.
Nandito.
Wow.
Ganda niya.
Tartupo po ma'am, tsaka big pork ribs po.
Pork ribs.
Tsaka
Kuha kang dalawa niyan. Tsaka kuha ka ng dalawa. Anong pagkain? Short ribs.
Wow, short ribs. Oh, no, oh my God. Ah, we have a buffet.
Oh, we have
Oh,
buffet. Gusto niya may buffet.
Yes.
So, tama tinip.
Konti lang tayo.
Ay, 5 pala tayo.
Pero nalugasan na ba yan? Nalugasan mo na lang.
This one is for you.
Wow!
Why?
This is, we're celebrating the small birthday of Lapanda.
This is for Corinne.
Ayan.
Wow, pwede natin mix this?
Yes! Kasi may ako eh. Kabo is in her element.
Ay, kulang ng kubyerto.
So, okay. Siyempre, si Tina is just getting whatever available in my playroom. So, mix and match siya. Which one?
O, dahil, mag-celebrate lang tayo ng birthday ni...
Oh, no.
Okay.
Small happy birthday!
Already, lot. Lapit ka dito, lapit ka dito.
Okay. Siyempre, expert.
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 Ready? Handa na ba kayo?
Handa. Handa. Wow! Ang galing!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Small! Happy birthday! Siyempre, yan, konti lang. Konti lang. For you. Ako yung konti lang. Mandy, konti lang. Konti lang iiwan. Mamaya.
Magic.
Cheers!
Cheers! Happy birthday!
Thank you, guys. Happy birthday, Small.
Ito po yung napili ni Ma'am na glass, color green, and color green din yung cover cloth.
Okay. So do we have juice?
Juice, yes, we have juice. The London juice.
So this is water, and we need another one for the juice.
Oh, another one for the juice. Okay, let's get 1 plus for the juice or for the iced tea. And another one is for the water.
Yan. Ang tablecloth's green.
So,
That's
okay.
1 in 4.
Next time, alam mo na yan dapat, ha? Alam
Opo.
nyo.
Picturean ko, ma'am.
Kasi, tutorial tayo ni
Picturean ko po.
Tina. O, may mga clear tayo, o hindi. Hindi bagay.
Meron ka nung hindi naka-stem, pero colored.
Oh, Lord, dito, Tina, meron.
Parang mas maganda ito.
Opo, yung yellow po, ma'am.
Ito kay Ma'am Tina, kung okay.
Meron.
So, this one, okay.
Na, sige, green.
Shell and green and red. Okay, this one. Pakibigay kay Ma'am Tina. So, let's go there. We're hungry. Pero, di pa kami finish sa table settings. Ay, wait, may one.
Ay, ang ganda naman. Kanina, lumingon lang ako. Ngayon, mas maganda pa. Galing. Ano mo, pepper set?
Guys, naghahanap pa si Ma'am Tina ng bulaklak for the setting. She's making beautiful setting.
Nasa daan, ang dami bougainvillea.
Saan?
Wala ng bougainvillea na, no?
Saan?
Just napakuha tayo, pero hindi na pala makapal. Makapal yung bougainvillea.
Meron naman po.
Pakuha tayong bougainvillea. Pero pink. Pink. Oo, yes. Oo. O may mga lemons ba ngayon na?
Oo. Meron
May
kayong
mga lemons ba
lemon?
tayo na sa tree? O, kuha kayo.
Ay, alam mo,
Apo.
kung ano yung gamitin.
Opo.
Ito.
Ay, ito. Wow. O, hingi tayo ng ano. Hingi tayo. Ready na yung mga food, no? So, okay. Anong gagawin, Tina?
Kunin mo ito. Hawakan mo.
Wow!
Sa center table natin. Relax.
Look how resourceful.
Kasi wala tayong bulaklak. Hindi tayo nakapunta sa dangwa.
So, walang flowers o dangwa. So, here na lang kami nagpunta.
May lemon ka?
Lemons, seka. Ay, pahingin lemons. How many, Tina?
Kaya lalagay lang natin dito.
Okay, wait. So, okay. Tina's putting the lemons over the leaves.
Because we did not have any
We did not go to Dangwa, so eto na lang.
dangwa. We all forgot about it. So now we source from the Garden of Eden.
Wow.
The Garden of Small. So pwede na to, diba?
Hey, look, Mom, how beautiful and
Ay, ang ganda, Tina. Kasi,
We just got from the kawa.
From the...
okay, we just got from the kawa.
We just got from the kawa.
I want to see that kawa.
The kawa's there. There.
The kawa is so useful.
Useful. Wow.
Yeah, the source came from here.
Wow. Where? Saan ka ng plants? Kawa nga. Ha? Yan ang kalat mo.
Look, the ate has so much like thousands and thousands and thousands.
Kawa.
No, this is the kawa, di ba?
This is the kawa. Ayun
Yeah.
na. Anong tawag dito? Water lily? What's that?
Huwag dyan. Ay, ayan pa, meron pa,
So, hindi lang
The
pala.
things
you can find in your garden.
Ang dami, doon may mga bougainvillea sa taas.
Pero ang ganda na. Maganda bougainvillea.
Yeah.
Alam mo, maglagay ka ng wiwi, isang tao, na mo, yes. And then, put it in the balde. And then, hahalo siya. And then, yan ang pandiling mo sa bougainvillea. Super flowers.
Oh my God, can you just tell that, Alden? Ano, one black...
Wiwi ni Alden. Breakfast kayo, may amoy. Malaki ang magagawa ng wiwi. Ayan,
Oh my God.
yes.
Oh, look,
Huwag
look
mo
at
masyadong
that.
didiligan. Dahil
Ganda, ate.
Isn't it dasma?
Yeah, punong-puno. Yung sa entrance, tapos hindi sa entrance. Beautiful. Sobrang, ayan ang tao.
Very well maintained yun.
Yeah.
Garden yan.
Sobrang cute. Pa-picturean mo para maula. Okay, alam niyo ulitin to, ha?
Opo, ma'am.
Oh, Amanda's here. Oh my God. I love it. Oh my gosh. So, And Solan. Okay, the best friend of my daughter, Allison. Okay, can you just call Allison or let Solan go up to her room? Okay. Hey, Amanda. Okay, we were waiting for you. Your champagne is waiting for you.
Amanda, did you make a balance?
But this is her love niya.
So
love for us.
Can we just...
Okay, it's crab. Is anyone allergic to
No,
crab?
no, I love
No.
crab.
So it's crab. I have to eat it again eh.
Oh,
I have to eat it together. It's a crab.
This is akin. Purina wants to... Appetizer. Appetizer. Okay, na. Okay, let's go. Amanda, this is for you. Okay.
I'm so happy to be back here after
2022.
2022.
During the pandemic. And you are so mabango.
Because it's her favorite.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, so Tina's asking what is the food para naman sinong what ito. Sumusent. And pagod na ang ating table setter for today. She's hungry and very tired and sweaty. Not at all. It's seasoned to her. That's her.
My therapy and my passion.
Okay, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, now we're looking for table napkins.
Is this a table napkin? This is a place. Oh, this is. Oh, okay. Planchadora.
Planchadora, we need you.
Corina, may pa-planchahin ka ulit.
Si Mrs. Rojas, may pa-planchahin. Rojas ang planchadora dito.
Secret talents of our special K. Hindi lang pampamilya, pang sport.
Pang garden pa. Ano ba?
So, okay. Ma'am Tina is putting the tomato. Ano, what happened sa pagplancha ni Mrs. Rojas? Oh my God, si Mrs. Rojas.
Wood oil.
Yan ang nangyari. Na-steam ni Mrs. Rojas. Ayan. Ayan pala.
Okay, alam mo, sinadya ko yan para magsulat tayo ng happy birthday mo.
Alam mo, parang first day ni Mrs. Rojas, mukhang fired na. Wala na. Fired na si Mrs. Rojas. Look,
Ay,
guys.
fired.
Ito nangyari sa mga plancha niya. Oh. And while Tina is so busy naman here. Oh my God. Look, ang ganda ng table setting.
Alin ang taga dito at alin ang
Taga Portugal.
So, okay, each pala.
Yeah.
So, that's how you do it. Kasi tayo, we put it in the middle na. But this one is individual.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, kailangan makabili sa Billy dito. Billy dito. So, individual. My God!
Diba?
So,
Approve?
Look, Mons! Ang ganda, individual. If this is me, I will just put it in the center. Just put it in the center.
Diba? Para at least a little bit formal for our special birthday girl.
Labas mo yung birthday
Yes,
cake ko,
ma'am.
ha?
Opo, ma'am.
Pastor Brava, thank you so much for sending me my cake. Heart-shaped and color pink. Alrighty, we're so ready.
We're so ready, Mana. Okay na ba?
Okay,
Short ribs.
short ribs, okay na? Gina Maristella, how's everything?
All right. Although inside me, I'm stressed.
Because
Small.
we did it! Yay! We did it!
Surprise for you.
Okay, what?
Only you, which is who is the birthday girl, will have this little small cute frog.
Wow, frog!
Yan.
Ochocer.
Pipilit yan.
Oh my God! Ochocerang
Para
frog.
pag naging buhay siya, magiging prince.
Prince! May bago akong prince. Paano na si Prince Philip?
That's why. There are seasons.
Because my frog can turn into a prince. But Prince who? Yes! Okay. So, but we don't know, okay,
To
how?
solve this problem.
Solve the problem.
To take this cardboard out.
How can you take that out?
Mali yung kulay ng boka. Okay. I have a solution.
Okay.
Alam mo yan, Maggie. Come on. Yung cake,
Come on,
ano?
Andy.
MacGyver.
I just eat it. I just eat it.
It has to be pink, right?
Yeah.
Kasi small lang.
Actually, straight.
Yung cake slime. No. Get your biggest spatula or your biggest. Igaganon
No, but that's still uneven. I've done that.
It's like,
So it's like actually, yes.
Ayun!
Ay,
Oh my God, that was the gown I was wearing in, in Golden Bird. No, that's my gown.
Pero we need ano pa rin.
the spatula. Okay,
Oh my gosh, this is my gown.
Mas bagay ito sa pink na yon.
But you know what? I'll be when I do serve with this thing because
Ang ganda naman.
you have to tell the person
Of course,
making it.
that
You have to
is
tell the
Golden
person
Bird.
making it already to put it on wax paper.
That's my gown.
So you, yeah. But the thing
Corina, ganyan mo Corina, ganyan talaga kalaki yung fez ko. Ganyan ba?
No, hindi ganyan kalaki ang fez mo.
So sure.
Yes, I'm very sure.
Very sure.
Nakuha nila yung gown, hindi nila nakuha yung fez. Mas malaki ang fez in malaki ang fez.
Yung boobs ka.
Yung jewelry kulang.
Kulang.
Maliit.
So, what's that?
Maliit.
Okay.
And the boobs.
And the
Kulang
boobs.
din.
Kulang.
Tsaka kailangan yung bag Hermes.
So pink din yung aking bagay.
Edible or it's a doll? We are going to find
To find out later, thanks to Costa Brava.
Ito pala ang pinanggalingan ni Philip. Ayan pala.
So ayan may frog ako dito that will print into my prints. Okay.
What is that? Like, why do you have that?
Somebody gave.
Prince Phil. Siya naman yan, isa lang. Huwag niyo nakita mo dahil isa lang. Huwag naman masyadong makapangin. Wala na ako nahanap dun sa loob.
Oh my God, look at I just see
Lot.
Tasa
Saan ang tissue, Lot?
Yung tissue, gusto ko marami. Di ba sa mga dito? Lumaki na yung tissue. Happy birthday! Thank you, Tina!
Hello.
Sobrang tired. Huwag tayo pinapakita. Pag hindi naka-tucked in, huwag papakita. Tucked in. Pag hindi naka-insert.
Hoy, tama na yung cheese niya.
Yes, lunch time. Okay, lunch. Yes, sir. Guys, ang planchadora dito ngayon, ang planchadora si Corina Sanchez Rojas. Ano nangyari? Nagplancha. Ito nangyari sa table.
Ito okay lang, may bayad.
Hindi pa bayad. May bayad. Okay. Magpe-pay.
Hindi pa ako nasusweldohan, abunado na ako.
At fired na.
Fired before hired. Fired before hired. We learn something every day.
We learn something every day. Yes.
Pero dahil papatulas, di natatanggas.
We're supposed to eat outside, but it's so hot. So Tina moved the garden here inside. Indoor na. Kasi it's so hot outside. So another one for the cake. Parang isa pang hanu for the cake. Kasi
Kamsahamnida. Wow. Teka yung
Talagang bigay na bigay ang sapin.
biglang. Grabe yung perlas. Napigtas.
wala na yung pinta. Guys, sorry. Nabawasan ng necklace. Oh, okay. Put it. Okay, me. I'll do it. God, labo ng mata. Not ikaw. Okay. My gosh. Akas, guys, alam mo naman, ang age namin is very young. Okay, I'm ready. So, ready to eat now. Okay, the two beautiful girls. So wait ko ha. Pinalimutan ko si Tita Snow. Yeah. Wow. Sarap ng tumingin ng Okay, do you like the food? Yes! Oh!
Talaga Amanda daughter.
Amanda daughter.
Show everyone back.
Oh, wow, show your back. Show your back.
Tita Ventosa.
May Ventosa.
Excuse me. Anak naman is small yung isa. Tingnan mo ang skirt. Show your back. Show your back. Look at your mom. Look at wearing shorts.
Yeah, look at me. Sobrang cute those two girls, ha? Okay, eat na. Bigyan nila ng food. Wala nila yung food nila sa Lena.
Yeah, very cute.
Very good. Pero teka, wait, Tina. Parang may na-observe ako. Parang naggagawa siya ng movements while eating.
Oo nga, umaalon.
Umaalon. Kayo rin?
Check mo kasi.
Oh, sa'yo rin mo? Oo.
Ano ba yung plate? You're fine. Maybe it's a table.
The table. So, I imported to Tina from Portugal. Teka.
Check mo ngayon yung...
Ay, nako. Ito na, Tina. So, guys, kaya pala mura, no? Yan ang review namin. Hindi masyadong stable. So, nag-struggling kami while eating. So, mura. Kaya pala mura. Okay.
Pero maganda.
Pero nice. Aesthetically.
Yeah.
Teka, sobrang importante itong mga discussion nito. Okay, one minute. Wait, kasi Corina, may argument kami.
Halimbawa, importante pinag-uusapan kami. Parang rated K! Ito ang tanong ng bayan. Pang-ilan sa pamilya si Tirso Cruz?
Siyempre, the third. The third nga eh.
Tirso Cruz, the third.
Yes.
Mali.
Ay, bakit anong sagot?
Pila pakisagot.
Pang-lima.
Bakit? Bakit? Anong naging...
Di ba P?
Tirso Cruz, the fifth.
Hey, three girls. Hi, Solan and Mira. Okay, so nice to see you. I thought you forgot me already. And you have an assignment. You have to carry these cakes for Tita's mall. Okay? Okay. They're not willing. Grabe. Parang they're not willing. Are you willing, guys?
If we can get the first slice.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I mean, that's why you guys are there, right?
Yes.
Parking right there.
Because,
Like,
oh my God, they're so, oh yeah, they're so cute together. And mommy, masyado namang tuntua. Oh, happy. Look at,
You have to put it to us.
oh, kami naman. Look at us. We're so sweet also.
We're so cute.
And we'll be
We're so
together in
cute.
LA.
We're so cute.
In LA. We have,
West Coast, Best Coast.
wait for us, okay? Ay, parang, they don't want. Look at them, parang they don't want. Ay, nako! Sino, Amon? Sino? Ay, my God, yung Prince Charming ko. Hindi pa rin frog pa din siya. Frog pa din.
Kiss.
Kiss.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Marisa. Thank you, girls. Oh, look at this. Girl. Thank you. Thank you, girls. Hindi sa amin.
And thank you to what girls?
Yung song nila, the What Girls.
Ano tayo?
Girls.
Sila it girls tayo, why girls? Why what?
Girls.
Never was. Tayo. Girls. E-A-E. Make a wish.
Okay. I wonder, parang nahuhulaan ko na yung wish. Oh, baka naman tumalong si Philip dyan.
Yeah, pwede mo na-cake. Pwede mo na-cake. Pwede mo na-cake.
Oh, dito na lang.
That's so cute. Yeah.
Walang lawan yan. Si Subola kay kaya mag-blow.
You know what's her name?
Walang lawan.
How did she do it?
The three left us. My God. Ando na. Ayaw na. Okay. So, anong papaslice natin?
Okay, so what's that?
Slicing my cake for my friends. Mons, do you like chocolate?
Yes, but small. Yeah.
And Amanda? Amanda, what do you want?
I see.
Shotgun fruit is the hardest.
Sana tong frog na to maging si Philip.
Here.
Philip! Hindi na attentive. Okay. That's the behind the scene. Sana tong frog na to maging si Phil. Phil! Oh my God! Si Phil! Punta ka doon! Phil!
Tongue action.
Sige pa. Isa pa. Sabihin na kasi kunwari siya director. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sige pa. My frog turned into a prince. Philip! Nakigreet yung mga girl.
Buti wala si Allison.
So that's it for our vlog. Thank you so much to my lovely girls for coming here for my birthday and I'm so happy for having them here and thank you so much. Ano na pinagsasabi ko? Okay, so thank you. That's it for my vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Kuring, parang part ka lang nito. Parang part ka ng house.
Sinadya ko talaga.
Oh my God! Si Kuring na!
Part of the household. Suit ko. Okay? Hindi mo ako makikita. Kasi, para siyang
Hindi ko makita camouflage.